What's happening, guys? This is Jones here, back with another video, and in this video we will talk about the newly released Xiaomi Mi 6X or the Mi A2. So without any further delays, let's get started. First, let's talk about the specifications. It has a 6.00-inch FHD display and it will be powered by the Snapdragon 660 processor, which is a very new processor. There will be 3 RAM variants: 4GB plus 64GB RAM variant, 6GB plus 64GB RAM variant, and 6GB and 128GB RAM variant models. It has a 20 megapixel front camera and a 12 plus 20 megapixel rear camera setup. It will be powered by the 2910 mAh battery, which I feel is a bit less because it has a 6-inch display. It may also support fast charging. It will run MIUI 9 on top of Android 8.0 Oreo. It will also have a rear mounted fingerprint scanner. Xiaomi had earlier confirmed that the Mi 6X will be available in multiple colors such as cherry pink, red flame, sand gold, glacier blue and black. That's it for this video, guys. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. If you hated it, do vote it down. Subscribe to my channel for more awesome tech videos. Till then, it's Jones and I'm